See the size. See, this is how. So you are ready to rock and roll. That's all. So boys and girls, ladies and gentlemen, very warm and welcome back to my channel. So it's a very good evening. Okay, so the thing is all about today is about changing my dispatch. So the main idea behind this is do it yourself on how to change it by yourself at the end of the day without insisting on anybody else. So the quick way is to buy dispatch from the authorized service center of Bajaj or whatever it is. So let me start with the rear itself at the beginning, because rear is the easiest one that you can change at all times. You have to just remove two circlips that I'll be showing in this video. Part number for front and the rear, this will be put in the description below. Okay, you can see this also here. So this is the front dispatch. This is 36JG0017 and the price of this is 227. Okay, and this is the front dispatch, and this has to be changed in an regular intervals of around 4000 kilometers is what I normally change my dispatch. This is the rear dispatch. Okay, and the dispatch part number is DK151085. What all tools you need to have to change your dispatch is, this is a 4mm Allen. Okay, this is generally available in every spare shops, and this is a normal cutting plier, and this is a puller, and this is a screwdriver. That's all is a spare that you need to change your DK151085. Same thing here also, there is two pins here. Backside is not as tougher as it was in the front. You just slide this pin out on the both sides. Okay, take this two pins out, push this pin outside, just spin this out, remove your dispatch, hold dispatch outside. See, this is the dispatch condition in the back. See this, it's almost polished, this and this. See the size. See, this is how. People say that, I know that in the comments, this disc still can be used, all those things, but I am not satisfied with the brake that in this Dominar has actually. So this is the piston, right? Just push this in, that's all. If you push it away, it will go in like this. Okay, now your piston exhaust is gone inside. So this is your piston, it's almost gone in. Okay, this has to be seated in like this. Now the pin going in. The front part of the disc pad, you can see here, you can see the seating there. Once you make sure the seating is correct, see, this is the easiest. So these are your pins, just put it back. That's all you have to do. Okay, here and here. That's all. So I told you this backside caliper is the peasiest one. So now what you do is you can just pump your footrest. You can see this piston. So this is the piston. Okay, so this part is your piston. This has almost hit your brake pads now. So you are ready to rock and roll. That's all. Okay, 30 minutes to 1 hour maximum. We're done it now. So this is this pad from Bajaj. This is an original spare itself, right? So this is, the make is Bybere. You can see here. The make is Bybere. Okay, some will. So this is a 4mm Allen, and for a better leverage, you take a pipe like this. This is in your normal. So just open this up. Before that, pull this pin away. Okay, pull this pin away, and remove this screw, or else the entire thing what you have to do is you have to remove these two disc pads, do all those nataks. This is an easy jugaad you can do. Okay, once you have loosened up this screw, make sure you don't damage these threads, but it can come. See, be on the safer side, because see, this has a thread here. Okay, this has a thread, this has to sit here. Be always on the safer side. Now pull this lock pin. This is also a lock pin. Okay, and now try to pull your old disc pads. It will come just like a button. See, this is a disc pad. The thing is, already lines have come up here. So this was an original KTM spare. Last time I had the KTM spare, but this time I did not get the original KTM spare. So see, this is an KTM spare. See, this doesn't have this vibra here. You can put any of those KTMs or Dominars also. It's all the same thing itself. Safer side, just bleed your puller. So this has to be pushed a little bit inside. What I did was I just put the scooter in, dig. So that's all what I did. Okay, now we need to put this disc pad in. This is how it slides in. Okay, this is a new again to the left, and there is a piston here again, but still this can go inside. I think is what I believe. Yeah, it's going. So just slide this in. Okay, just slide this in inside a little bit, and this is the pin. Don't miss all these things when you after fitting. No, you should not have any of those extra spares laying there down. So make sure you have all these things inside via like this. Make sure you put this. See this pin, no? This has to go inside that. Inside the caliper. It's called as a caliper. Gone. Okay. So tight this at your maximum effort level. See this disc, no, basically it will not come back like that, because that working is there itself. It will never come out like this. Just tight it like this, that's all, and put this pin back here. Okay, put this pin back here, and once you bleed from there. Okay, so the lever has to be pushed in like this. Enough. Wait. Pump on. Okay, we just remove this. This is called as an loose pump, because drain out pipe. I mean drain out nut. This is called as pump once more. Close it down. Okay. Enough. Wait. So max tight, that's all. It should be just tight, that's all. Don't fall on that. Okay, make sure you don't fall on that, and you lose the wrong threads. Okay, so just don't get doubted that your brake will work or not. Don't have such a doubt. It will 100% work, because this is how usually everybody changes. But since I have changed, you might have that doubt, but don't have a doubt. This is how each and every brake pads are changed. Okay, so it's as simple as that. See, this is an old brake pad. So what happens generally? What happens to the brake pads is when there is an brake applied, a friction is being put on those brake pads. So what happens generally is, because of that friction, the heat is transferred to these pads. That heat which is being transferred from the display to these brake pads, so it will lose its durability, or whatever it applies to catch the brake, right? It loses, this pads loses that. That is why every 4,000-5,000 kilometers I change these brake pads. There is hardly 250 rupees in the front and 250 rupees in the back. 500 rupees you have to invest, that's all. You don't have to invest like 1,000 for one kit also, not even one. So Vatsa, right? See, Vatsa is he is like seeing the brake pad prices. He was like astonished. What is this? Having 250 rupees. See, 227 in the front and again 238 in the back. He was so astonished that what? That's all the brake pad. No? How much is your brake pads? Don't say Vesra. How much is
stock? 5,200 rupees.
Huh?
5,200 for the stock. Front and back.
5,200 rupees from Royal Enfield. So he has Interceptor 650, right? 5,600. What, man? I'm just throwing away 500 rupees for every 4,000 kilometers. So you have to squeeze your brake pads to the full max. So he has to squeeze this to the last of the pad. Jugats. No. Thanks for watching my video, and I'll get back in another video. Until then, take care of yourself. Keep supporting. So drop in your likes or comments, or if you have any such questions regarding this, just drop me in the comment box below. Find time to answer that. Okay, so take care of yourself and bye bye.